来看国际消息，川普今仔日就任美国第74届总统。就职演说的时阵，伊讲美国黄金时代自这开始，伊要走向和平甲团结。也来参加典礼贵宾是袂少，包括特斯拉的执行长马斯克、亚马逊的创办人贝佐斯、甲人民册创办人萨克伯格等等。也即马拜登卸任交接进程是下面白宫正首席医疗顾问副机等等，川普可能的保护的对象。
Defend,
preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
做过第45任总统的川普国登来白宫，20宣誓就职正做美国第47任总统。因为天气正冷，典礼改一个华府国会山庄内面的圆形大厅。
The golden age of America begins right now. From this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first.
川普讲到未来环境，强调退回巴拿马运河伫中东的以色列连日正伫咧登记前人的身躯边，要签行政命令遣返违法居留的外国人，无过受非法移民。
My proudest legacy will be that of a peacemaker and unifier. Just a few months ago, in a beautiful Pennsylvania field, an assassin's bullet ripped through my ear. My life was saved for a reason. I was saved by God to make America great again.
就职典礼了几点钟内，川普宣布伫美国甲墨西哥边境实施国家紧急状态，贩毒集团将会被看作恐怖分子。不过官员讲，伊今仔日未宣布对卖火判扣关系。
And we will pursue our manifest destiny into the stars, launching American astronauts to plant the stars and stripes on the planet Mars.
典礼现场的贵宾包括亚马逊创办人贝佐斯、FB 创办人萨克伯格，尤其是特斯拉执行长马斯克。听到川普的谈话是真欢喜。川普上任了第一天重要的任务是签相关文件，其中一份甲内阁职务有关系。也拿替任的总统拜登赶伫咧交接进程宣布，下边白宫正首席医疗顾问福奇，也个美国参谋省长联席会议主席米利等人，通知川普上任了可能会采取报复行动。不过内先做，川普甲共和党人正不满。公司新闻吴文玲编译。